Welcome to Punto Novo. We are here today in the heart of Nuevo Vallarta with all the cool restaurants. Best sushi right downstairs at You Sushi. We're going to check out 5 units that are just coming on the market. We're the first ones here. You're gonna love it. I'm in the kitchen and I've got a fantastic sweeping view of the Sierra Madre Mountains. I love this kitchen for its minimalistic style. It's so comfortable, and I also noticed that there are only the very best brands of appliances. The gas stove, microwave, a super fantastic Eco Plus fridge, so great for the utility bills, those CFE bills. And also they've hidden back here a washer and dryer and an old style Mexican sink if you want to wash clothes like that. So great kitchen, great view, very comfortable. And here we have a beautiful living and dining area with a beautiful view. Right on the Boulevard Nuevo, you can see the mountains. Really open, very modern, lovely aesthetic. I love the lights and the darks that come together with accents of gold. Really makes you feel grounded in the social design of this very modern building. So here we are in the living room with a huge television, very modern art, some touches of gold, lots of natural light streaming through this unit. Just has really good optics, beautiful view, the patio. I don't hear any of the traffic from the Nuevo Boulevard. It's very, very quiet in here. Yeah, big TV, great living room, really a very livable space. Guys, we're in the master bedroom and I love it. Natural light sweeping through over a large king-size bed. It's very fresh, tons of closet space, beautiful television, and a very executive looking ensuite bathroom right there. I really feel like I'm in a 5-star hotel, but this is home. Second bedroom has so much space, lovely light, 2 queen-size beds, tons of storage, television, and I love this really clean looking executive dresser for all your clothes and jewelry. Really, I love this room. Beautiful bathroom right here. Very, very nice feeling in this second bedroom. We're out on the terrace here and I love that you can see Vedanta right behind us. Lots of greenery, the Sierra Madre Mountains. You could easily put a large barbecue out here, have a cocktail party out here, and you kind of feel like a little bit of indoor-outdoor living is happening. Large terrace, really, really nice component of this beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bath in Punto Novo. Hey, I've loved showing you Punto Novo today. It's an incredible and stunning building, and what better place to finish off than the rooftop. Infinity pool, you can see the ocean back there, sweeping views, barbecue area, lounging chairs, feels awesome. There's even a kids area. All the amenities, comfort and luxury you're looking for in the heart of Nuevo at Punto Novo. If you've enjoyed this episode of Paradise Living, please like, subscribe, comment and follow, or send us an email at paradiselivingmx@gmail.com.